Hi guys, let's go and let's see what inside this driller's cabin. Okay, the driller's cabin, also called the driller's console or doghouse on some rigs, is a control room located on or near the drill floor of a drilling rig. It's where the driller operates and monitors all the main drilling activities. Main function of the driller's cabin: control center. Houses all control systems for drilling operations such as top drive, mud pumps, draw works, pipe handling equipment. 2. Monitoring system. Display critical real-time data like well depth, pressure, torque, rate of penetration, mud flows, and volume. Safety oversight. Equipped with emergency stop controls and alarms. Allows the driller to quickly react to any dangerous situation like a kick or equipment failure. Communication hub. Enables communication between drill floor crew, tool pusher, remote operations center. So what's inside the cabin? Touchscreen or control panels, joysticks and lever, CCTV monitors, computers and data logging system, air condition of course. So the driller's cabin is the nerve center of a drilling rig. From here, the driller controls and monitors the drilling process, ensure the operation is efficient, safe, and within the parameters. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Please subscribe and follow.